This video will teach you how to create online store on Justtawa Marketplace. Welcome to Justtawa Marketplace. Do you wish to sell your African item online and reach millions of buyers? You are welcome to the #1 marketplace for African brand. Whether you are a beginner or a pro in doing business, or perhaps you just have passion for selling, there is space for everyone. Your business details will be featured and your products will be available for millions of buyers to purchase while you are at the comfort of your home. You will have a dedicated business web page that has your store banner, address, contact details and your store status. Your product categories will be displayed as well as your physical location and business opening and closing times. Buyers or visitors can contact you directly via the contact form and they can also chat with you when you are online. Your products will be listed on this page as well as Justtawa home and shop page. Are you excited to create your online store? Let's begin by clicking on Register at the top right corner of Justtawa Marketplace website. We will be redirected to the registration page. If you already created account, you can log in, but we're creating a new account as a vendor. First step is to supply your valid email address where the verification link will be sent. This email will be your store email address where all order notifications will be sent. Then enter a strong password for your account. It should be at least 12 characters long that contains alphanumeric with one or more special characters. The more stronger the password, the more your store is secured. Then enter your name, both first and the last name. The next step is to create your store or business name that will be displayed to buyers, and this will invariably create your store web address. You must type in the name you wish to use as your store name. As you type your business or store name, your shop URL will be automatically generated. The system will verify if it is available to be used. You can change the URL if you have another one in mind or if it is not available to be used. Next is to supply your store phone number. The number should be valid with the country code. This will be the phone number shown to the buyers or visitors to your store. It will later be verified by our administrator. You must read and agree to the Justtawa vendor's terms and conditions. You can subscribe to the newsletter if you wish to receive offers and insights. Then click on the register button. You can also register as a vendor using your Facebook, Google or Twitter account. Your personal data will be used to support your experience throughout the website, to manage access to your account and for other purposes as described in Justtawa's privacy policy. An email with a verification link will be sent to the email address you supply when you are filling the form. The next step is to log in to your email inbox and look for the verification email sent by Justtawa Marketplace. You can also check your junk folder if not found inside the inbox. The mail will contain your username as well as the verification link to verify your email address. You can either use your email address or this username to log into your account area to view orders and change password. Once you click on the verification link, it will redirect you to your store quick setup wizard that will help you to configure some basic settings. This step is completely optional and shouldn't take more than 2 minutes. You can do the initial setup now or you can skip and do it later in your store dashboard. We will discuss more on the complete store dashboard settings later, but let's go for the quick basic setup. The first setting is your store setup, where you will indicate the number of product to show per page. We'll suggest to leave it as 10. Your store physical address, it could be your house address. Enter the city and your postcode. Select the country and the state where your store is physically located or where you will be shipping orders to the buyers. Select your store category and indicate if you like your email address to be shown on your store page. Supply your payment details where you would like your payment to be made. For PayPal and Skrill, your store email address should be used, and if you would like to receive your payment via bank transfer, your bank details should be supplied. If you have Stripe account, you can connect it to your store and your payment will be made to the account. Other payment gateways will be added as they are available in your store country. Congratulations, your store is ready. You can go to your dashboard and complete setup and start adding products and services. Welcome to your online store. This is where you will be doing several activities like adding products, checking orders, generating reports and so on. Justtawa provides quick view of latest activities on the front page. You can access other functionalities by clicking on the left menu items. Let's quickly review and complete our store settings by clicking on the settings menu. This is your store settings page. It would have pre-populate some information you provided during the quick setup, and if you skip wizard earlier, you will provide those information here. Let's scroll up and add store banner by uploading image of size 625 by 300 pixels. Select your preferred image from your computer and crop it to the required size. The image will be used as the store banner on Justtawa storefront. Upload your profile picture by selecting your preferred profile image and crop it. Supply all other missing information if you didn't follow the quick wizard setup. All information is important and must be accurate, as they will be verified and will make your store to earn the buyer trust. You can opt to hide or show your store email address. You can also opt to show other products in your store to the buyer if one of your products is viewed by them. Enter your address on the map and make sure the marker is pinned on your location. If you have your terms and conditions for your store, tick the box and write the details in the text box provided. Use the box to supply all the terms and conditions of your store. The buyers will see these terms on your store page. You can opt in to show your store opening and closing times on each day by selecting open and close times. You might want your store to be closed on Sunday, open 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. on Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. on Fridays and 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. on Saturdays. When your store is open during these hours, you can provide notice to be displayed. If you leave it empty, the default is store is open. Likewise, closing time, the default is store is closed. You will tick this if you wish to go on holiday and you will not be available to fulfill orders, and set your vacation message to notify your customers. Enable store-wide discount for all your products in such days like Black Fridays, Cyber Mondays, etc. You can specify the minimum order amount with percentage discount. It can also be enabled on the for individual product on its page. You can add your store images, about us and other information pertaining to your store. You can enable support buttons so that buyers can contact you. You can also enable live chat. This gives the buyer to chat directly with you when you're online. To enable live chat, you'll need to connect to your Facebook page and get your ID. If you don't have a Facebook page, log into Facebook and create your page by choosing business or brand and click on Get Started button to create your page and get your Facebook page ID. Insert the ID in the box provided. Read the terms and check the agreement box if you agree with the terms. Click on Update Settings button to save all your details, and you are ready to add products and services to your online store and reach millions of buyers. You can also connect your Facebook and other social media to your store. In the next video, we will take you through other settings such as some add-ons for your store, payment settings, how to do verification, setting up shipping and shipping rates, social profile, return and warranty management, and store SEO. Let's check how the store looks like on the front page and see if all the settings has been affected by going to the stores page. Our store has been created with most of the details we provided with the banner and profile picture we uploaded earlier. Let's visit the store and see what it looks like. Our store is live on the marketplace. All the settings and store information have been implemented on the page, including the store location, opening and closing times. Our products or services will be listed here, as well as the marketplace home and shop page. The store terms and conditions as well as the customers' reviews are also available. The buyers can share our store page, follow our store and get notified if there is any new products on our store or any discounted sales going on. The store location will be shown on map, as well as the store email, ratings and other store details such as the opening and closing times. That's all on store setup. In the subsequent videos, we'll show how to add products as well as other settings like payment, verification, shipping, social media connection and store search engine optimization. Thanks for watching.